Hello everybody, this is Technicya with another quick tutorial. There is something wrong with the keyboard of my Dell Latitude 3450. Some keys are missing when I type, so let's try. A, B, C, D, E, F. F is not typing. When I press hardly, it types. Yes. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N is missing. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Missing is N. N when I type hard, yes, it's typing, but hardly. And so let's fix this issue. First of all, I will shut down the laptop and deattach the keyboard. For this you will need a flat screwdriver. There are some notches here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Gently I will press this and grab the keyboard, second one, third one and the fourth and last one. Gently I will pull the keyboard. Here you can see two connectors. Simply pull with your nail and this is open. And the second one here. Now we will fix the issue. Okay. Bend and press all the keys. Now I will install this keyboard and let's try whether it's fixed or not. Simply again pull this connector and the connection should be underneath. Yes, and this one also. Insert the cable and pull this side into the notches and gently press this one. Okay, now I will start the laptop. I will increase the font size for the visibility. Here I will test all the keys A, B, C, D, E F G H I J K L M. Last time N was totally missing. N O P Q R S T T U V W X Y and Z. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is something hard but slightly. 5 5 5 5 5. It's okay. 6 7 8 9 and 0 equal plus. Yes, it's almost done. I hope you will fix your keyboard by yourself. It's so easy. And if you like this video, please thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.